Hi everyone, and welcome to Nova. I'm Kai, and today I'm excited to guide you step by step through the process of acquiring World Mobile AirNodes. Before we dive in, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media. Today, we are exploring the latest Batch 3 Drop 3 sale. For now, it is important to know that AirNodes are available only when new batches go live, which is roughly every month. When the sale goes live, you will first explore the available AirNodes. You can browse through the available nodes by location and select your favorites. Since previous sales moved quickly, it is a good idea to type in the exact number and type of nodes you want, and then add them directly to your basket. Now, let's move on to the checkout process. I have already registered and logged into my World Mobile account. You will notice that there are 3 payment options available. You can choose to pay with your credit card, Apple Pay, or Google Pay via Stripe. Alternatively, you have the option to pay with stablecoins via crypto.com or through a bank transfer. Once you have selected your payment method, you will need to accept the terms and conditions and enter your whitelist code, which you will receive when you sign up at join.worldmobile.io. The next step involves reviewing and signing 2 important agreements. First, you will read through the first agreement, fill in the fields, click Done, and download it to keep a copy for your records. Then, you will repeat this process with the second agreement. We have written a detailed article on these agreements over on our blog page, so if you need more information, I encourage you to check it out. After you have signed both agreements, you will be directed to the payment page where you should follow the on-screen instructions to complete your payment. Once your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation email, and you will be able to see your newly purchased AirNodes appear on your World Mobile dashboard. At that moment, congratulations are in order because you are now officially a part of the sharing economy and on your way to exploring decentralized physical infrastructure. We have covered everything from exploring the sale to finalizing your purchase, and while the process might evolve over time, you can stay updated by subscribing to our channel and following us on our social platforms. If this video has added value to you and you would like to stake too, feel free to come on board. Follow us on X for the latest news about World Mobile and our Earth nodes. If you have any questions, feel free to join our Discord server.